So if you want to play chord and melodies on Bandlab as a beginner, the first thing you got to do is to click on Open Studio. And when it finally opens, just click on Visual Instruments. And here you will see different visual instruments like 808, brass, and lots more. So you just have to navigate at the top to look for keyboard because we want to play chords and melodies and I want to use a keyboard. So yeah, you see different keyboards, different sounds like electric keyboard, grand piano, and lots more. So all you got to do is to click on any of them to listen to how they sound. So let's just tap on them to see how they sound. So when you finally see a sound you like, all you got to do is just click on it and it will show you something like this. Now we want to play some chords and melodies. So don't forget to set your tempo. Now let's set our tempo. And to do that, you got to click on the certain icons up here. So you can see the default tempo is 120 BPM. So let's just use the 120 BPM for this tutorial. Now the next thing you want to do is to click down here and it will take you to your piano roll. And this is what it looks like. Now let's play a simple C major chord. Whenever I play my chord, I always love to begin with my root note. So my root note is G, D, E, C. So let's just begin with the root note. In case you don't know how to play keyboard and then you want to copy mine, just watch the way I place them on the alphabet. So this is my root note, G, D, E, C. Now let's loop it so it will repeat when it gets to the ending. So now let's listen to what it sounds like. Like I said earlier, this is just our root note. So let's build our chord progression around it. Now let's listen to what it sounds like. Now you can go down and add your bass note to make it sound full and complete. So you can hear the way it sounded very nice. So now let's go back to the top and add some melodies. For the melodies, I'll make a very simple but professional melodies so it can be easy for you to understand. Please make sure you're paying attention to the way I'm placing the notes. So I'm gonna add melodies to all the progression. Please just make sure you're paying attention because I can't really explain everything. And please, in case you've watched this video till this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please also share my videos with your friends. It really helps us to grow as a channel. So one thing about this type of chord progression is to loop it. So I'm just going to loop this ending and this is how it sounds. Do you know you can add some effects to your chords to make them sound even more professional? So now let's do that. All you got to do is click on the icon here and click on FX now. Click on create presets. And these will want to, let's just cut out some low frequencies from the chord progression. Click on EQ3M and let's play. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.